Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to sign up an account for the Royal Bank of Scotland. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without any delay, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL personal.rbs.co.uk. Once you enter the URL, you'll be headed to their website and click on the login button at the top left. Once you do that, you'll be forwarded to this page and click on the sign up here button at the bottom of the page. After that, you'll have to enter some of your information here. So scroll down and choose the type of account you're trying to create. So I'm gonna choose personal or premier customer. Then you'll need to enter your personal details here. So enter your first name, last name, date of birth and postal code. Once you fill in all your information, click on next and you'll be headed to the other sections where you'll need to enter more information about yourself. So once you fill in all your information, your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the Royal Bank of Scotland account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.